The coefficient of x minus 1 whole square in the Taylor series expansion of fx equal to x e raised to the power x when x coming from set of real number about the point x equal to 1 is. For options, option A, B, C and D are given to us and we have to find right one option. As function is given fx equal to x e raised to the power x and x is real number, and we have to find coefficient of x minus 1 whole square. We have to find coefficient of x minus 1 whole square about the point x equal to 1. As we know, Taylor theorem helps us to make any function in a series format. Or polynomial. Also, we know Taylor series expansion about x equal to a by fx equal to fa plus f dash a x minus a plus f double prime a x minus a square divided by 2 plus f 3 times prime a x minus a cube divided by 3 and so on. Here fx equal to x e raised to the power x. So its first derivative, second derivative and triple derivative, first, second and higher derivative are as f dash x equal to x e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power x, f double dash x equal to x e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power x. As number of times primes occur, e raised to the power x will comes when thrice prime equal to x e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power x, e raised to the power x, e raised to the power x. Put these value in the equation p. It is my p, this. So fx equal to, here a equal to 1 as given to us. So put f equal to or f1 equal to 1 e. It means e plus, or directly you can find like this, or actually we have to find coefficient of x minus 1. When a equal to 1, then x minus 1 is this term. So put we need only this term only. So I am using this one. You can use entire term or put a equal to 1 in entire and respective derivatives, and then compare which one is giving the coefficient of x minus 1 whole square. But directly you can use this one also. So f double prime 1 equal to e plus e means 3e divided by 2. Divided by 2 will be an answer. So f double prime 1 divided by 2 x minus 1 square equal to 3e divided by 2 x minus 1 whole square. As it is asked coefficient of x minus 1, so it is 3e by 2. It is 3e by 2. Which one option is? Option C is matching. Option C is our right choice. Or you can use this one completely as this one. If somebody use, so it will be fx equal to a plus derivative, first derivative at 1, first derivative at 1 will be a plus e, it means 2e, 2e x minus 1 plus again 3e by 2 x minus 1 whole square and so on. As it is asked the coefficient of x minus 1 square, so it is 3e by 2. You can check here also.